Hello, I hope you are doing great. In the previous lectures, we have seen MapReduce. Now, let us try to understand one more example as a part of this lecture so that we'll see how exactly the MapReduce can be implemented for a different data processing task. Let us get started. As we know, many of the data processing tasks can be expressed in the form of key value pairs given as an input to the mapper. Mapper produces the key value pair as an output. Reducer takes the key value pair as an input and produces the key value pair as an output. So that way, when reducer produces the output as a key value pair, we would have got the necessary insight or necessary analysis what we want to do. That is how any of the data processing tasks can be expressed in this particular form. As I already indicated, we have solved a word count problem by expressing in a key value form. So let us try to solve one more data processing task as a part of this particular lecture. Assuming that you have friends, you are friends on Facebook or any of the social media networking site. You tend to go ahead and visit the friends profiles, right? That's what happens. For example, this lady may go and visit this guy's profile, or this guy will go and visit this guy's profile, or this guy may go and visit this guy's profile, or this girl may go ahead and visit this guy's profile, and so on. When we are browsing through different networking sites, it is very generic, or it is almost we do visit the different people's profile and see whether do I know this person, do I need to connect to this person, maybe for a business purpose, maybe as a friend, maybe various aspects as such. What we'll do is we'll try to create a user view count map. A particular person's profile is viewed by how many people by using the MapReduce. The way we are trying to capture the data is like this. For example, now Monica, Madhu, Reena, Pradeep, David, and John are there. Their profile is viewed by which member. The way we were trying to capture the data is in a table format, wherein that who is viewing which profile will capture the data. But at the end of the analysis, what we want to get is each of the members profile is viewed how many number of times. For example, John is viewed 35 times, Karthik 56 times, like that. How many times each of the members profile is viewed? That is what we want to get out of this analysis. How do we do that as a part of the MapReduce? As we know, we are trying to have a mapper, assuming that this particular data is distributed across these three systems. The first and foremost thing is we need to see whose profile, that is a name of a person, and we have to give a value for that. So name of the profile and view the value. Okay, we have to produce these key value pairs from each of the user views. So for example, if I go to the this particular thing, what I want is I don't want this particular data. All I want is two member. We'll read this one, and Monica is the member which we want to see how many number of times she is viewed. So the way it will happen is Monica, then when instead of reading John, say Monica comma 1, Madhu comma 1, Rina comma 1. That is how we'll go ahead and produce the key value pair from the mapper. Once these key value pairs are produced, this will be sorted. For example, in this case, John's profile is viewed 2 times. That is the reason you can see twice it has been indicated here. The same is the case with the Ramesh. But Monica and Anish, their profile is viewed only once. So we'll get these things sorted out, and then reducer combines the values with the same key. At the end of the reducer's output, we'll get to know whose profile is viewed how many number of times. That is what we'll get to know. If you really see what is happening here is mappers are working in parallel because the data is distributed across these three systems, and each of the mapper is trying to create the key value pair from the user view count table. So all the mappers are working in parallel and they produce the results. From the final analysis perspective, intermediate results. From the mapper perspective, these are the results, these are the output. But from the final output perspective, they're intermediate result. Remember our biryani or pasta story, where vegetables sliced by each of the cousins are the intermediate results. They need to be combined to get the final result. So now, who is doing the combining task? That is done by the reducers. Reducers combines the result from the mappers. In this case, we have to see whoever has the same key, those values need to be combined. Just to summarize, mappers and reducers processes that run on individual nodes in a cluster. The programmer need to define the logic of a mapper and reducer. So this will not be done by the framework. This need to be defined by the programmer or a developer like you or me or somebody who is really working on this particular project. Then MapReduce job is submitted to the cluster, assuming that you have a cluster of some machines. So the moment MapReduce jobs are created, which are created by a developer or a user, they would be submitted to the cluster. Cluster is managed by cluster manager. In our case, the cluster manager is Yarn. Yarn is yet another resource negotiator. This Yarn is doing the management of the systems, like a resource management. Which system has how much of memory, which system has how much of hard disk capacity. All those things will be tracked by Yarn. What it does is the cluster manager launches the mapper and reducer processes on the different nodes in the cluster. Depending upon the space availability, memory availability, the cluster manager would go and launch these mappers and reducers on the different nodes in the cluster. That is how the whole process of mapping and reducing is happening to compute the final result. We have already seen the word count problem. In the word count problem, the way we generated the key value pair is bit different than this user view count problem, right? What we wanted to demonstrate here is for any kind of a data processing tasks, we can go ahead and use the map reduce. But only thing is you have to think in terms of these two steps. What are maybe the data processing task? You have to think in these two steps. These two steps are mapper and reducer steps. Thank you.